Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Pete Mangione with this online update. Hurricane Arthur is still a Category 1 storm with winds of 90 miles an hour, and the path is still pretty much the same. So Arthur will miss us offshore. However, his effects will not. Let's show you what happens as we go into Friday. Notice this front. It's a very slow-moving front. In fact, slower than was projected at this time yesterday. So it's just creeping and crawling. A few showers and storms Thursday night, but it's really Friday where the moisture comes in. And watch what happens. Here comes Arthur, and Arthur and the front kind of join together. So even though the center of Arthur stays offshore, we get some pretty heavy rain, especially Friday afternoon and Friday evening. Now, we could still get some showers and thunderstorms on Friday morning, but it looks like prime time for some of those downpours. Potentially some localized street flooding would be late in the day on Friday, unfortunately, for any evening or nighttime fireworks. And then Saturday, the scoots away. It actually looks pretty good by Saturday afternoon. Now, we will see some effects with winds, even though Arthur stays offshore. It could get rather windy out across Nantucket and the outer Cape. In terms of tropical storm force winds, I think the only really chance of seeing that would be out here in this location shaded in red, out here towards the outer Cape, places like Chatham, maybe Nantucket. Back further here towards Rhode Island and a good portion of southeastern Massachusetts, gusts between 20 and 30. You can get that with your average summertime thunderstorm, so winds themselves should not be a big deal here in Rhode Island, but the rain will be with some of that localized street flooding. And obviously, with that close pass of the storm, we'll see some pretty rough seas all weekend long, especially on Saturday. For Independence Day, 1 to 2 inches of rain are possible, the heaviest in the afternoon and evening. High surf, rip currents an issue all weekend long. Some gusts, again, of 30 miles an hour late on Friday night, but the strongest of the winds and really the most dangerous winds well out to our east, out across the Cape. 7-day futurecast does show improvement for the weekend. Saturday, 82, Sunday, 84 degrees. Humidity drops at that point, so more pleasant for the weekend.